Alright, what is up YouTube? We have our Huron Speed turbocharged Camaro SS on the dyno. And Chandler's gonna make 450 horsepower on 25 pounds of boost. Yes!
I will cry. Like literally cry.
What is up guys? How's everybody out there doing in YouTube land? Just so you know, we did have this car in the dyno before. There was a few things that were kind of goofy on it because of Chandler's fault.
It was all my fault.
It was all his fault. Had a lot to do with the wastegate, but that's all addressed. That's all fixed. And we're good to go. And he's had to turn the fan on while I'm recording. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. What? Almost. So, stock 78 millimeter turbo, 7875. Huron Speed. This is a complete Huron Speed turbo kit, guys, with a stock LS3 engine, stock transmission. It is an automatic.
Yes.
And we are on how many pounds of boost today?
Right now it should be 8.
8. So we should be around 8 pounds of boost on the dyno here. We're going to be turning it up as we go, and we're just going to make sure this thing works, guys. So you guys are going to see a really interesting video of what a stock SS Camaro does with one of the Huron Speed single turbo systems. So let's get dynoing, guys. All right, initial pull on this hunk of junk. I hate Camaros.
Why? You really hate Camaros?
They're like the worst car ever built.
We ain't friends anymore. Chief, you're my new best
That's
friend.
it. I'm putting his speedometer down to 55 miles an hour.
You hear that lifter?
Yeah, oh, he knows about that lifter tap.
I know about it.
He knows all about that lifter tap, don't you, buddy?
Huh?
Don't you?
Well, then that's why I'm saying within a week or two, we'll probably order a fucking can.
Now we'll see what we put down here. How many pounds of boost are you trying to run today?
Huh?
All of it. We tried to do that last time. We know how to do that already. Woo! Lean as hell.
Yeah.
Well, richened up.
Yep. I left off because it needs a tad bit more.
What did it make there?
442.
Junk.
571.
Junk. You say 571?
Yep.
What?
And that was only on 8 pounds of boost.
So what do you look at on there, the computer, to know to let off?
I left off because it was going a little lean.
Yeah, it was going lean, man.
I don't want to
We
burn
need
your shit down.
Well,
we
it's supposed
need
to be in the
more
green,
fuel.
right?
No, there's
No.
no like green or anything.
Oh.
Well, you want to be boosted. You want to be down in there.
Okay.
11s. You want to be mid to high 11s is where you want to be.
Okay.
To be safe.
So you look at that, where it says 18.
Yeah, that's like lean as balls.
Okay.
Yeah.
10's fat.
Turn it up a half a turn.
We'll be back after these messages from Engine Rebuilder class on how to blow up your damn engine. One more pound! One more pound! How much did you turn it up?
Half a turn.
Okay.
See what happens.
20 pounds of boost!
That's called a spike.
Yeah. Well, Kiefer, you know what you got to do, boss man. We're in 196 temperature. Woo! It didn't do shit. That was 9.6 pounds of boost.
And then, so I have to turn in and do nothing.
You went up 0.3 psi.
0.3, so.
You didn't have spark knock that time though, which is good. We're cleaning off the spark plugs right now. That's what's going on.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's at like 9-10 degrees, dude. It's not.
All right, so.
What did it make there?
442, 568.
568. Air fuel still look kind of good.
0.3.
It's staying there.
Yeah, it's air fuel staying good.
All right, so 0.3.
That's a half a turn. Usually you have to turn them up like. See, here's the problem with the dial of death.
Yeah.
Is it derives its name from blowing up engines. So what happens is you can go a half a turn and you might get 0.3. You can go a full turn and add 5 pounds.
So you want me to finish that other half?
Usually a full turn is a pound, is what they say, right?
Should be.
Yeah, a one full turn on a dial of death is 1 pound of boost.
No, I made a jig and I tested it.
Oh, did you?
Yeah.
With a boost
Yeah,
pressure
so-
gauge and everything.
Yeah, so half a turn was like 1.5 pounds.
What are you laughing at, Andy?
No, I did it with the air compressor. So you set an air compressor with the dial.
Chandler, just turn it up as we're going through the run, buddy.
Yeah.
All right. That way we can watch the boost as it
So
goes.
that's 2 turns.
Oh,
Well, that's what you said.
here we go. Here we go, guys. It's party time. We're about to see some raining of the rod gods.
Please don't say. You just keep scaring the shit out of me, man.
You're like, let's go 2 turns, Andy. Started going lean.
What is it?
That was 11.7 pounds.
How much?
That was almost 12 pounds of boost.
I saw 11.7.
Yeah, that's why I seen almost 12 pounds of boost. It got up there pretty good.
484, 616.
How much?
484, 616, dude. On 11 pounds of boost. Basically 11 pounds of boost.
How about the timing?
The timing was fine. You're still on like 8 degrees. I mean, you're not making timing. And that's gonna hurt you. And that we ended
You
the
want to try
run
to
too.
add timing because you remember, like I drove it around.
I want to get air fuel straightened out because it was going lean there at the end, right?
Yes.
Yeah, I want to kind of get air fuel straightened out first. So let's get air fuel straightened out and then we'll add timing. I informed Chandler that we're going to gap his rings for him to add more boost. And as in gapping, I mean broken ring lands. What? Keith, how do you feel about this? No? No broken ring lands? Okay.
Well, no, then he has to clean up his dyno.
No, you get to clean up his dyno. Low ass computer's thinking.
Yeah, thinks about slow as your fucking Firebird.
Oh my God, Keith.
What?
Whoa, what? Watch it, it'll crash again. Stop.
Not happy up top.
Yeah, it's not.
I left out of it. It just was not happy.
I mean, the numbers are staying consistent, which is good. 616 on that pass. 470. I think that's all you're going to make on the 11.6 pounds of boost.
Holy shit. Kind of
That was a little bit of a journey. Wasn't that a little bit of a journey, buddy? Well, this definitely did good on what, 11 and a half pounds of boost?
11 and a half pounds of boost.
And it made some good power.
It made great torque.
It made okay torque. Basically, it made, what was it, 486?
Yep. Yeah, 486.
And 632 torque at the wheel. We're gonna look at the dyno sheet here in a minute. Air fuel was a bitch. I'm not gonna lie, air fuel was kicking my ass. And then we started adding timing, and timing really made a big difference with a little bit of the torque and stuff. But whew, man, what a these turbo cars, I tell you what, guys, they're no joke. Alrighty, on the floor. His dyno sheets always land on the floor. So let's take a look here. For right now, that's plenty of power for a stock LS3, making 11 and a half pounds of boost, no joke. So I think we were having issues with the spark being blown out at the top end. I think that's why I was getting kind of weird at the top end. So I told him, I was like, he needs to make sure he regaps the spark plugs and all that jazz, but he's going to do that when he gets home. That car is definitely going to be on the back of the dyno. This is not the done all tune for this vehicle. This vehicle is definitely coming back for readjustments and other things like that. So how'd she feel?
Fast.
Is it fast for real?
Yeah, no, dude.
You got your dyno sheet? Right here's your dyno sheet.
Yeah, like these little bit of numbers, like I'm telling you, like 630 torque, traction control doesn't exist.
Oh wait,
anymore.
I gotta get my famous in the video thumbnail. All right, you gotta stand by your pride and joy there, buddy. Look good for the camera. Oh yeah, there we go. There we go. I was telling everybody this car is definitely coming back for readjustments and everything. So
Yeah, and meth.
And methanol, definitely methanol. Methanol would do wonders with this.
Yeah, I think that's the next.
Because you'd probably be able to go up to 15 pounds of boost and more timing.
Yeah.
And it's gonna make tons of power.
Yeah.
But there you go, guys. We're gonna get on the road and get home. It's been a long day.
It's been a long day.
All right, guys. It's obviously another day because I have Sky here with me. But I obviously have to do an outro for this video for Chandler's Camaro SS on the dyno with that beautiful Huron Speed turbo kit on it, which did phenomenal on 11 pounds of boost, 11 and a half pounds of boost, give or take. Made some great horsepower. He went out and test drove it, brought it back. And man, as you've seen, that thing is working good, guys. It's working freaking phenomenal. Great product. As you guys know, I have a Huron Speed single 80mm turbo setup on my Trans Am, my Formula Ghost, and that thing's been working great. We're actually going to be getting ready to do some more mods to that car, and it's going to be going to the dyno to get retuned on the smaller AR and the new 120-pound injectors as well on pump gas. So it should put down some really decent numbers as well. So look out for that video in the future, guys. But we're gonna end this one. Hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. Instagram, Diablo Formula Racing. And yeah, other than that, guys, deuces.